So, I'm gonna clean out my fridge today. That's the goal. That's the objective. I have to go to work soon, so we're gonna try and do this pretty speedy. It is something else. We got a lot of everything in there. It's pretty cluttered. So first things first, we're going to take the stuff out. And as you can see, I've got just like dripped liquids of stuff that's like, yeah, it's not okay. So we're gonna take it all out, organize it, and you know, hey look, yeah, I did dishes. Look at that, they're clean. They're clean. Those are clean dishes. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and clean out the fridge. First things first, take everything off the shelving, wipe it down, take out the shelving, wash it, all of that jazz. So actually, let me find a better way of angling this so you can see directly into the fridge rather than off to the side. So, Alright, that is much better, much better. You're going to see the whole thing. Okay, funny story as to why I have so many freaking eggs is my mom. She's a Costco shopper. I don't know if you guys know Costco, but oh, my family knows Costco. So I guess these eggs were really, really cheap. And so my mom probably bought maybe 10 of these or something, knowing how she is. And she gave me 3 of them, which each one is 2 dozen in one. So I've got so many eggs. So no matter what, no matter how this whole thing of me taking a huge risk and quitting my full-time job and not knowing how I'm going to pay all my bills in the next however many days. Oh, and these are really cheap too. So they're hard-boiled eggs, right? And they were only $1.97, under $2 for this whole pack. So yeah, I've got eggs up the wazoo, you guys. I maybe have some major egg farts when it comes down to me having to eat all these eggs when everything else is gone. But I will be alive and not starving, so counting my blessings. This is rice. I just made it last night. Alright, let's speed this up.
My favorite kind of butter. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's sour. Okay. I think this is bad. Oh no, sour cream. Ew. Ketchup. I just made all these last night so I don't starve. Now I have sour cream juices on my floor. Uh-oh. That's really old. This is like turkey from Thanksgiving. Oh, peanut butter. I wonder if this is so good. Oh, freaking beet juice. Beet juice! Shoot, this is really old too. Down by the bay, where the lemon grow, back to my home, I dare not go, for if I do, my mother will say, the shelving right now. I'm just going to do the main base. So I'm just going to spray it down and scrub away. One, two, three, four. I've been working on the railroad all my live long days. I've been working on the railroad just to pass the time away. Can't you hear the whistle blowing? Rise up so early in the morning. Can't you hear the captain shouting? Dino, blow your horn. Dino, won't you blow? Dino, won't you blow? Dino, won't you blow your horn? Dino, won't you blow? Dino, won't you blow? Dino, won't you blow your horn? Someone's in the kitchen with Dino. Someone's in the kitchen, I know. Someone's in the kitchen with Dino. Playing on the old banjo. Fee-fi-fi-fi-oh, fee-fi-fi-fi-oh. Fee-fi-fi-fi-oh. Playing on the old banjo. Almost there. Yeah, I'm almost there. Almost there. Ah. Can you go down low? How low can you go? Bada-bada-ba. Yada yada yada. Doodly doodly doo. Yada yada. Ooh. Let me just sing a song for you. If anyone can tell me what that little tune is from, I will literally make you a hat. I'll make you a hat. First person that can tell me what that tune is from. Well, let me give it to you again. Ooh, ooh. That's it. That's all I'm giving you. That's your only clue. When I was a young boy, my father took me into the city to see a marching band. He said, son, when you grow up, will you be a savior of the broken, the beaten and the damned? Will you defeat them, the demons, and all the non-believers, the plans that they have made? Someday I'll leave you a phantom, leave you in the summer to join the Black Parade. We're almost there. Oh, here's a little song I wrote. My one singing, note for note. Don't worry, be happy. Don't worry, be happy now. In your life you have some troubles. When you worry, you make it double. Don't worry. Be happy. Don't worry, be happy now. When you worry, call me. Call me now. Be happy. Said you'll run to the lake, and they have to lift again. Don't worry. Be happy. Don't worry, be happy now.
Alright, so I'm just going to make this video short and not show you guys how I'm going to put everything back in. It's clean, and now it's just a matter of organizing stuff back in there. Thanks for watching. Thanks for enjoying this time with me. Happy Saturday, and, you know, live it to the best, the fullest, and treat others how you want to be treated. Respect, peace, love, kindness.